Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to import the video in Krita. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can open this Krita first, and don't worry because this Krita also 100% for free to download, and you can find it out from the Google. And don't worry because this Krita also accessible within your PC that is in the operating system of Windows, Macintosh, and also Linux. And to access this Krita, so you don't need to do the login first or do the sign up with your email, just you can use it like this. And after that you can start to click the new over here, and you can also remember about the width and also the height if you would like to import the video to create, let's say, the new animation in it. So you can remember this width and also the height, and also you can give the name of your project, for example project 1. And after that you can start to click create down here, and this will be the blank page of the Krita. So if you would like to import the video, you can click this file, and after that it will bring you into this new window. You can click this section in this the video file, and after that you can start to select the video that is located into your device. And after that there will be the several options. So this section will be the length of the video that you would like to put into this field. And for example, I want that this video will be uploaded from the first second until the last second of the video. And after that, one important thing that you need to do is you can go to this advanced, and after that you can put the same width and also the height as the same in the previous one when you open the new, and also setting up the pixel or the width and also the height. For example, I will put the width over here to become 2480, and after that 3508 like this. And after that you can continue to click OK, and kindly wait until this video will be uploaded or being imported into this section. Divided into the several motion or several keyframe over here, and this will be the imported frame process, and kindly wait for the uploading or importing process over here. And after waiting for a while, this video has officially imported into this section, and it will be ready to be, let's say, you can add some animation in this video, and also you can play it. And kindly wait for the next process. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.